So your girl Marcita B back today with another new informational 411 crochet braids video. Today the hair I will be discussing is from Freetress braid, and it is their super Italian curl. So as you can see in the background here, I'm in the process of creating a crochet unit with the Freetress Super Italian curl. Now don't go and get your lips all poked out because I'm not installing this in my head. I'm gonna tell you why. This Freetress Super Italian curl is like so similar to Model's Egyptian curl, which I did already in March. And your girl Marcita B just does not like to repeat the exact kind of, I mean, it's so close that really the only difference in the Freetress Super Italian and this Model Egyptian curl is that the Egyptian curl is a tiny teeny bit tighter curl pattern than your Super Italian curl. Other than that, same fiber, texture, same colors available. Let's see here. I think it's even the same length. Same length. I mean, it's basically the same hair. Your girl Marcita B has been there, done that, and got the crochet hook. But in the spirit of providing information, which is what my channel is all about, I did want to at least show you the Italian curl, at least work with it. But here we go. Here is the Super Italian curl in color number 4. And here it is in color number 2. It comes in 5 solid colors and 3 ombres. I will also post a link to my video for the Egyptian curl, which basically you can just repeat that information for this. But this hair runs around $8.50 to $8.99. Some places maybe $9-ish a pack. Good thing about this hair is that you don't need a lot. Just like the Egyptian curl, I bought 3 packs. I only needed a pack and a half. I have installed, this is 1 pack. So you can see, you do get a lot of hair in each pack. And this is 1 pack. Basically, it comes 2 bundles per pack. This is a bundle of each color. So this is probably all I'm gonna need to finish my unit. But I will do that off camera. Take out this hair I have in my head now, and I'll be back. So please stay tuned. Completed unit, and actually watched my Egyptian curl video over again. I think the slight difference in the curl pattern of this Italian curl makes me like this a little bit better than that Egyptian curl, but this hair is really similar. This hair is really light, just like that hair. Has a nice yaki texture. It was super fast and easy to make this unit. It knots really well. Just 1 loop, 1 knot. That was good. Now the hair is really light like I was saying, so even though it's long, it's still suitable for summertime because you hardly feel like you have anything on your head. Also like the fact that I only needed 2 packs. I used a pack of color 4 and a color 2 interspersed to make it look a little more natural. What else can I say about this hair? It will probably, I would imagine, last the test of time for an install because it really doesn't give you a lot of frizz nor tangling. YouTube, that's the 411 I have for you on Freetress Super Italian Curl. Anything that I did not cover in this video, you know what to do. Post that question or comment below. I'll get right back at you. I am out right now, YouTube. Thanks so very much for watching. I appreciate you. Gone, but you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.